Mopar time here at Unique, especially in classics, and this one is stunning. Definitely a head turner here. 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner, two-door sedan, and the paint on this car and the look of it is really what sets it off. Now, speaking of setting it off, underneath the hood, 426 Hemi, and that is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Not representing this as numbers matching or anything. The way it is done up, like I said, it is nice, no doubt about that. It was originally a 4-speed car, so still containing a 4-speed. And again, that is paired up with the 426 Hemi, and we'll check out that engine bay in a little bit. Let you take a look at that. We're going to start it up too. Let you listen to it run. We'll see how it sounds. But first off, let's go around and take a look at some of this chrome bright work. You can see the grille, headlight surrounds with this paint here. It's a blue metallic, and like I said, the video and pictures just cannot do this one justice. It is straight. That paint on is put on nicely, and it shows well, no doubt about this. Take this into your local shows, cruising, roll-ins. Plan on coming home with some trophies. There's no doubt about that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, which, believe it or not, looks as nice as the top of it. You can check out the engine bay in the still pictures, the interior, the trunk. Still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. This is a true Roadrunner, by the way. It does have RM21 on the fender tag. You can also tell from the bin. So this would be a true Roadrunner. And again, wasn't originally a 4-speed car. Also, it was originally a blue car. Now, it was not quite this dark and this just eye-popping, let's put it that way. So it has been repainted into a different blue, riding on Boyd Kotick and chrome wheels. And again, just look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see the reflection. It does come with a car cover. They also had a mat / rug in the trunk that I'm going to show you. The blue is set off by a white vinyl interior bench seat. And then as you can see, the dash also in blue, and we'll get around to the driver's side. Check that dash out. It does have an aftermarket stereo system that was professionally installed in it. Again, this car is just clean top to bottom. The other thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, take a look at the rear of this car. Rear bumper, again, chrome, bright work, everything on it. Beautiful. Of course, we have the Roadrunner cartoon emblem there. And speaking of which, yes, this has the Roadrunner horn, beep, beep, and it does work in this car. Here's a mat they had in the trunk, supposed for show purposes. Kind of cool. That will be in the trunk of the car. There's also the trunk mat in there. You can see the pictures underneath the trunk mat. You can see them of the trunk mat. And again, underside of the car, engine bay. Take your time looking through the pictures of this car. Seriously, it is unbelievable underneath there. Engine bay, interior, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Now, let's take a look down this driver's side. First of all, see how straight that is? Wow, and these are long panels. It's not like this is a short car. And the longer those panels, the tougher it is to keep them straight. And you put a gloss paint on it like this. Wow. Now, as far as reflection, there's all the way to the front door. You can see the light reflecting off of that. The paint is not going to disappoint in this one, folks. No doubt about that. I don't think you're going to be disappointed in the sound in the engine bay here in just a little bit, too. All right, speaking of that engine bay, there's two 4-barrel Edelbrocks on it. MSD ignition, aluminum heads, and we'll check that out here in just a second. First of all, let's take a peek at the interior. Blue-white combination. That same blue carried through on the doors. FYI, wipers work. Look at that interior. All very, very clean. No rips, tears, holes, fading, anything like that in the interior. All right, let's fire this up. Now you can see gas gauge came up, alternator gauge. We do have a tach over here. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit of glare on you there. You can see stereo powered up. Blower fan does blow also, so you would have heat. I mentioned the wipers. Do one quick swipe with those. Wipers work fine. Let it warm up just a little bit here. Sometimes we're 26s, Hemi's can be a little cold-blooded. Headliner in this is also in nice shape. I'll show you that when I'm getting out. There's that headliner, so no surprises on the inside either. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Look how nice that door closes. I'm going to pause this 1 second, get this hood popped. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here you go. First of all, let's take a look at the underside of that hood. Yes, it is shiny and blue and crisp as the rest of this car, including the underside, which you need to take a look at in those still pictures. The paint job, astronomical on this one, as was the bill to pay for it the way it sounds from the previous owners. Let's put it that way. You start looking around, it's going to add up and make sense to you too. So there, MSD ignition, superconductor wires, again under that air cleaner. 2 4-barrel Edelbrocks. As you can see, aluminum heads. Smooth running. Wow, will this thing turn heads by its sound and by the color? You name it. You want to have some fun at roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, here you go. Maybe it's taking it out, showing it off, driving it like it should be. It's clean, top to bottom, folks. If you have any questions, remember, phone number 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, take you right there. Got a custom 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner, real deal, 426 Hemi underneath the hood, 4-speed. Absolutely incredible paint, top to bottom. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.